The new chapter is surface areas and volumes. In this chapter, we have studied about the cubes, cuboid, cylinder, cone, hemisphere, and spheres. The surface areas and volumes. For the first exercise, we have to study about the cube and cuboid. This is a cube. The length of all the sides are equal. Let the length of all sides are A. Suppose each side is equal to the A, and there are 6 surfaces of a cube. Then the total surface area of cube equal to 6 into A square. A square is the area of one surface and total surface area 6 into A square. And lateral surface areas. Lateral means without top and bottom. Only 4 surfaces. The lateral surface area of cube is 4A square. And this is a cuboid. This is length, breadth, height. There are 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height. The area of this surface and bottom is L into B. And area of top surface is L into B. Area of adjacent B into H, and here is also B into H. And this is LH and this one is LH. Then the total surface area of this is, total surface area of cube is 2 times LB, 2 times BH and 2 times LH. Now the formula becomes 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. And the lateral surface area means area of these 4 sides without top and bottom. Only to equal to lateral surface area is 2 times L plus B into H. Taking H common, 2 and H common, L plus B. Now we can say 2 times L plus B is equal to the perimeter of the base into height. This is all the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Now come to the questions of exercise 13.1. The first question is: a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is opened at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box, the cost of the sheet for it if the sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. 1 meter square cost is rupees 20. Now taking length, breadth and height. Length equal to 1.5 meter, breadth 1.25 meter and height is 65 centimeter. Now 0.65 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. The box is opened at the top. It means the total surface area means area of 4 walls without top. Only this area is not required. We have to require 2 times L plus B into H. This is the lateral surface area, and area of the bottom L into B. Now put the values. 2 times L plus B, 1.5 into 1 plus 1.25 into H is 0.65 plus L into B means 1.5 into 1.25. Now multiply and solve. 2 times 1.5 and 1.25 is 2.75 and multiply this 1.5 into 1.25. Now solve. 2 into 2.75.65 is this, and 1.5 into 2.5. Now adding this we get 5.450. Now cost of the box. Cost is equal to rupees 20 per meter square. It means 5.45 into 20. Okay. Now 5.45 into 20 is 109.00. Cost means it is in rupees. Next question number 2. The length, breadth and height of a room is 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. Okay. The length, breadth and height of the room is 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter. And the total surface area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls means lateral surface area 2 times L plus B into H, and area of the ceiling is L into B. Okay. Now put the values. 2 times L plus B, 5 plus 4 into 3 plus 5 into 4. This is the 5 plus 4, 9. 9 to the 18, 18 3 ja plus 20. 74 meter square. Again the cost of whitewashing is 74 into 7.50. Now calculating 500 rupees 555 0 0. Next question. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. The cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000. And total cost of the painting is 15,000. The cost is rupees 10 per meter square. Floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter. Cost of painting the 4 walls, only 4 walls. Find the height of the wall. The total cost rupees 15,000. Rate is rupees 10 per meter square. Then the area of 4 walls equal to 15,000 divided by 10. It means area is 1500 meter square. This is the lateral surface area. The formula of lateral surface area is 2 times L plus B into H equal to lateral surface area. 2 times L plus B is the perimeter. Perimeter is given that 250 into H. Then the height of the room is 1500 by 250 equal to 6 meter. Next question. The question number 4. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. The paint is sufficient for painting the 9.375 meter square. How many bricks of the dimension 22.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? This is the length equal to 22.5 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter and height is 7.5 centimeter. First we have to find the total surface area of the one brick. Length is 22.5, breadth 10 and 7.5. The formula of total surface area of a brick is 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. Now put the values. L into B, it means 22.5 into 10 plus 10 into 7.5 and plus 7.5 into 22.5. Now calculate 22.5 into 225 plus 75 plus 168.75. Now adding 2 into 300, 468.75 and multiplied by 2, (937.50 centimeter square). The paint has a sufficient 9.375 meter square. The number of bricks equal to the total 9.375 meter square. It can be converted into centimeter square. 1 meter equal to 100. Meter square means 2 times 100 into 100 by 937.50. Now solve this. Here is the after decimal 3 places. Here is 2. 1 carry and cancel this. 20 cancel. 9375 cancel. The number of bricks equal to 100. Question number 5. A cuboidal box has each edge 10 centimeter and cubical box, and another cuboidal box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? Which box has the smaller total surface area, by how much? Which has the smaller total surface area and by how much? Okay. First, find the lateral surface area of both the boxes. The side of a cube is 10 centimeter. It means lateral surface area of cube is 4 into side square. 4 into 10 square means 400 centimeter square. And the cuboid has length 2.5 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. Now the lateral surface area of cuboid. The formula is 2 times L plus B into H. It means 2 times 12.5 plus 10 into 8. This is 22.5. 22.5 is 45 into 8. 8 5 ja 44. 360 centimeter square. The by how much? 400 minus 360. 40. How much is more than? 40 centimeter square is more than the other. Next, total surface area. The TSA of the cube is 6 into side square. 6 into side square means 6 into 10 square means 600 centimeter square. And TSA of cuboid is 2 times 12.5 into 10 plus 10 into 10 into 8 plus 8 into 12.5. 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. If this is calculate 360 plus 2 times 125 plus 80 plus 12.100. 225, 80, 300, 2 into 305, 610 centimeter. How much is smaller than 610 minus 600? How much is smaller? 10 centimeter square is smaller than the other. Question number 6. A small indoor greenhouse herbarium is made entirely of glass panes, including base, held together with the tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter high. What is the area of the glass and how much of the tape is needed for all the 12 edges? Indoor herbarium is made entirely glass pane. It means we have to find the total surface area of the herbarium. Length 30 centimeter, breadth 25 and height is 25 centimeter. The total surface area formula is 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. Now put the values. 2 times 30 into 25 plus 25 into 25 plus 25 into 30. Now calculate 30 into 750 plus 625 plus 750. 2 into 1500 or 6. 2125. Now multiplied by 2. 4250 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the herbarium. Next, how many tape is needed? The length of the tape is needed to the making a herbarium 4 into length, 4 breadth and 4 height. 12 edges of a cuboid. It means 4 length, 4 breadth and 4 height. 4 common. Length is 30, breadth is 25, height is 25. 80. The total tape needed 320 centimeter length. Okay. The question number 7. Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of boxes are required. The bigger of the dimension 25 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and the smaller dimension 15 into 12 into 5. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required. Extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 per 1000 centimeter square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. 250 boxes. First we have find the total surface area of both the boxes. Length 25, breadth 20 and height is 5 centimeter. The total surface area of the first box 2 times L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Now calculate 2 times 500, 100 plus 125, 725. Double of 725 is 1450 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the first box. And second, length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Now the TSA of other 2 times L into B, B into H, H is 5 and H into L. Now 15 is into 12 is 180, 12 5 ja 60 and 15 5 ja 75. Okay, now add 5, 315, it means 630 centimeter square. TSA of both the boxes. TSA of both the boxes, now you have to find 1450 plus 630. Okay, 0, 8, 2080 centimeter square. We have to find the 5% extra. It means total surface area of board, cardboard required. Required means 5%, 2080 plus 5% of 2080. Extra required. It means 2080 plus 5 into 2080 by 100. Now cancel 20, 104. 104 means 2184 centimeter square. Total surface area needed for box. And each type of box is required. How many boxes? 250 boxes. It means area of board, area of 250 boards. 250 boxes. It means 250 into 2184. Each type of 250. Now cost is rupees 4 per 1000. Now cost of the box is, the area is 250 into 2184 and cost is rupees 4 per 1000. 4 per 1000. Now cancel 4 से 250 and 250 is 250 cancel. The answer is rupees 2184. Okay. And the last question number 8. The Praveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the 4 sides and the top of the car with the front face as a flap which can be rolled up. Assuming that the stitching margin are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter and the base dimension 4 into 3? It means height is 2.5 meter and dimension 4 meter into 3 meter. Length is 4 and breadth is 3 meter. Length 4 meter, breadth 3 meter and height is this. The area required for making a tarpaulin. It means the area of 4 sides 2 times L plus B into H and area of the top, not for the base, only area of top. Now put the values. 2 times 4 plus 3 into 2.5 plus 4 into 3. 2 into 7 into 2.5 plus 12. 2 into 2.5, 5 7 ja 35 plus 12. So how much area is required? 47 meter square of the cloth is required for making the shelter of car. Okay. Thank you.